Hello, you are welcome to this class with Taiwo Balogun as I walk you through some of the things that will be taking place in the Forex market for this new week, which is the week 16th of the month of December 2019. Now, the first thing that I'd like us to look at is the economic indicators or fundamental analysis that we're expecting for this week. And how do you do that? You can easily go to www.forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com. Now, this is Forex Factory. Then, once you get to this website and you will see the date. Look at the date. This is Sunday 15th, and we want to scan through the economic indicators that we're expecting for this my week, this new week. So all you need to do is to first of all go to the calendar tab. Once you get to the calendar tab, then you will easily see some of the indicators that we're expecting for this week. These are the indicators. I think I need to scroll it here. Now look at, and I want to point your attention to the PMIs that we have for this week. Now look at, these are the PMIs that you need to take note of. You need to be very conversant with these indicators. The PMI indicator are one of the indicators that you should be very conversant with in the forex market. So now for this week, we are expecting a lot of a lot of PMIs, and that is why I want to call your attention to these. Do not joke with PMIs. They are one of the indicators that moves the forex market. Now, now look at, from Monday the uh, we have the French flash services PMI. This is a very good one to watch out for. And also there is the manufacturing PMI, also German's flash PM, manufacturing PMI, and also there is German flash services PMI. Very important. All these PMIs are very important. And immediately after that, we are also expecting PMI from the Great Britain currency. Look at, from Great Britain, we're expecting flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. Very good indicator. And based on what you see here, look at, considering the fact that the prime minister election came up last week and in favor of Boris Johnson. Now you can see what happened in the forex market. Now look at what happened to the um, pound dollar. Now look at what happened to the pound dollar. Let me bring that up. Now look at, you can see what happened to that currency. Now look at what happened last week. That was the day, or the election day. Now based on this, you should expect something good coming out from the Britain this week, and this is going to happen today. It's going to happen today by 10:30 a.m. And I need you to watch out for this. You need to watch out for this. Now look at, after that, then we also have the flash manufacturing PMI is also coming out from the United States of America, and that is a good one for you to watch out for. And also we have other indicators for this week. On Tuesday, there's New Zealand business confidence, and also these are the high impact. I'm looking at the high impact economic indicators alongside the medium. So the first one that I want to call your attention to is the PMIs. So take note of the PMIs and try to analyze them. So this week we also have a, MPC official banquet vote from the from Great Britain on Thursday. So I will also want you to take note of that, especially the high impact news, and let's see what we can do with that. So now looking at this, the next thing that I want you to do after considering the economic indicator, the next thing to do as a forex trader is to go to Market Watch to watch out, to watch the check out the dollar index, the dollar index. Now look at, when you get to this website, this is what you see. Now, and how do you bring up the dollar index? Let me quickly show you that. You go to the search button here, the search area, and click on search. Click on the search icon. Then you type DXY. You type DXY. Just type DXY. Then you search. So once you click on search, it will bring up, take you to the US dollar index chart. US dollar index charts. As we're waiting for this, let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, DYX is not DY, is DXY. Sorry. With DXY. DXY. Okay. Now you click DXY. So type DXY and search, and look at what happened. We have the dollar index here. Then you click on this and it will take you to the dollar index page. Now this is the dollar index page. While we're waiting for that to come up, now you can see that the US dollar index is open here, is open. The dollar index is open at and the current price is 97.15, indicating a negative move at the moment, negative move. But however, I need you to consider some things. You need to consider some things that the within 52 weeks, look at, when you scroll down, scroll down to check what is happening here. Now look at, it opened at 97.18, so it's just less than, it's just minus 0.03%. Now look at, it opened at this point, and the daily range is between 97.12 to 97.18. This will vary based on the movement anyway. But within 52 weeks, look at what happened. The price has been moving within 95.03 and then 99.67. So that is the weekly range which we need to consider. We need to consider this level. So, however, while we're waiting for the chart to come up, then you need to watch this index very closely so that you can determine the strength of the US dollar before you trade against or in favor of the dollar. So these are the things that I'd like you to watch, and while I come up with the next tutorial, and I want you to please put to practice some of these things, and you can also use it to trade the forex market. So, however, for this week, based on the economic stuff in the Great Britain, we are expecting pound to continue with the uptrend, and we will see how to take this trade to the next level. Thank you, and God bless you.